Hey people, this literally just dropped on the internet a few minutes ago. One of the world's biggest drone companies released footage on X Twitter of their New Jersey nighttime flight operations, testing multiple commercial-sized, fast-moving, brightly lit drones in New Jersey. Just watch this. So there you have it. One possible explanation for drone sightings over New Jersey. Direct from the Twitter X account of the CEO of Zipline. They have full FAA permission to test delivery drones in the US at night. And these are serious drones. These are not hobby drones. This is a commercial operation. Large, high-powered drones in swarms over your city at night. We all need to wake up to the modern world. Drones are everywhere. Not just hobby drones, but large commercial drones dropping stuff on your front porch. Is that what we're seeing right now in New Jersey? So folks, this is a very quick breaking video for you. The truth is out there.